Our game is called Braise Satan, and it is a first-person 3D perspective cooking simulator set in hell. Creating hell has been interesting, especially since we didn't want to lean into those kind of religious symbols too much, but at the same time draw inspiration from them. So it's been interesting creating this kind of cartoonish, stylized version of what hell could be, especially if hell is cooking, which is, for most of us students, is. So it's been good to kind of explore that and see how we can make it fun and interesting, but not too scary, because we do want the game to be accessible to younger people as well. So creating hell has been certainly interesting, especially with Jeremy on the team, who's been the driving force behind the 3D art. It's just been fantastic.
So originally I came on as to work on the environment just to keep everything cohesive. And so I started off with building a block out with the game design. I got a level together, and with the level design and format in mind, I was able to then build the entire game from that. And they wanted a sort of dungeon-esque, a kitchen in hell sort of thing. So it was really fun to build a modular kit to make sure everything was in pieces, and they separate the kitchen and the pantry. And being able to actually make a game from start to finish, it's really rewarding. And I would definitely recommend it to any students or people who are able to do it, because it's a really good learning curve, learning opportunity as well. It's good for your portfolio, it's good for your industry meetings, and you can meet a lot of other people. And you can also just hopefully enjoy doing the thing that you love, which is really nice.
It's been really good because you don't have to always keep to realistic things. It's very stylized and it's a very silly game, which I enjoy.